They say you don't know what you have until you lose it. But sometimes life gives you a second chance to understand the true meaning of love, loyalty, and sincerity. This is the story of Ada and Chinedu. Before success, before comfort, there was struggle. A young man fresh out of school with dreams bigger than his pockets, and a young woman, Ada, who had never been to a higher institution but who carried a heart stronger than any certificate. She lived with someone, learned business the hard way, became independent, determined, focused, and even with her wealth, she chose love. When Chinedu had nothing, Ada stood by him. She supported him, saved money with him, shared her little, so they could build something greater. Not because she was foolish, but because she believed in their future. To her, love meant sacrifice. To her, loyalty was an investment. Time passed and fortune called. Chinedu traveled abroad, and though oceans lay between them, their hearts remained connected. Calls, messages, dreams whispered across time zones, but distance does not only stretch love. Sometimes it stretches pride. One day, Chinedu looked at Ada differently. He noticed her English, her lack of schooling, and instead of guidance, his words became knives. You need to improve. You are not polished enough. Not advice, not encouragement, but judgment. That day, Ada's heart trembled, not because she was weak, but because the man she supported made her feel small. Soon after, he broke up with her. Chinedu's family was shocked. They had seen her loyalty, her sacrifices, her kindness. They asked him, "How can you lose such a woman over English, a language that is not even ours?" Their words echoed. Regrets slowly awakened, and Chinedu realized he was about to lose a priceless treasure. He went back and apologized. They reconciled. Love returned, but something inside her remained bruised. 2 months later, he walked away again. No arguments, no noise, just silence and exhaustion. And this time, Ada made a decision. "I'm no longer interested," she said. "Your words hurt me more than silence ever could." She chose her peace. She chose her worth. Panic gripped Chinedu. He shifted flights, called his siblings, called his mother. "Please, talk to her. Don't let me lose her." His family reached out, not to pressure her, but to remind her that she was loved, valued, respected. Because deep down, Ada still loved him. She was only hurt and confused. He returned home, and when they finally sat face to face, he said, "Why did you leave me?" Ada breathed deeply and spoke her truth. "You insulted me because I didn't go to school, because I don't speak like you." Her voice broke, but her courage didn't. Then she confessed, "I was confused, hurt, and afraid you didn't love me anymore. I made a mistake. I slept with someone else." Silence, anger, shock. He turned to walk away, but his family stopped him. "Listen," they said. "She could have hidden it, but she chose sincerity." They spoke for hours. 2 broken hearts, listening to understand one another. He apologized for belittling her. She apologized for her mistake. And slowly, forgiveness returned. One quiet evening, Chinedu went down on one knee, not out of fear, but realization. I almost lost you because I failed to see your worth. Education is good, but loyalty is greater. English is a language, but love is a lifetime. He chose her, and this time with respect, with gratitude, with sincerity. Because love is not about perfect grammar. It is not about degrees or titles or accents. Love is respect. Love is appreciation. Love is sincerity. And sometimes you only realize the value of a heart when you almost lose it. And this is it on today's thread of life.